How to make money with Tier 1 sweepstakes offers on RollerAds push traffic. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn how you can make money running Tier 1 sweepstakes offers on push traffic from RollerAds. I'll show you everything from A to Z, how to create landing pages, how to set up campaign tracking, how to launch, optimize, and scale winning campaigns to maximize profit. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Choosing offers to promote. First of all, you will need offers that you can promote. Probably the fastest and easiest way to get ideas is by using spy tools to see what others are running and what is popular. For this example, we are going to promote wireless headphones, earbuds, sweepstakes in the United Kingdom. Our offer page looks like this. The good thing about these offers is that networks will give you blank checkout pages that you can customize, so you can easily swap the products by changing the product title and image in your offer URL, and you can basically promote and test any offer you want. You will get paid every time someone enters their credit card details. How to create landing pages. As I mentioned above, when you run these offers, you will only get blank checkout pages from the network you're working with, so directly linking your ads to the offer page is just not enough. You need to create a good landing page that will make people want to buy the product. You should create product pages that look like a professional web shop, with high-quality images, product details, reviews with photos from existing customers, and things like that. If creating a landing page like this sounds hard and complicated, don't worry. You can use landing page builders like Funnelish, which will make your job 1000x easier. You can create a professional-looking product page like this in 10-15 minutes. They have a drag-and-drop page builder that is super easy to use, and lots of built-in compositions that you can use and customize. For example, you can easily create a review section with user reviews that will help you build trust and can boost the conversion rate by a lot. They also have pre-made templates for funnels and landing pages, so you can use and customize those as well to save some more extra time. So I highly recommend using Funnelish for creating your landers. You can start for free, and it will save you a lot of time and effort. How to set up campaign tracking with RedTrack. If you are running affiliate campaigns, you probably know how important tracking is. It's absolutely necessary to understand the performance of your campaigns. You need to be able to tell which segments of your campaigns are profitable and which ones are causing losses. Proper tracking provides insights into key metrics that you need to be able to optimize your test campaigns and scale your profitable ones to make more money. Without all this, you're navigating blindly, risking your budget and missing out on potential revenue. We use RedTrack for tracking our campaigns, so I'm going to show you how to set up tracking properly with RedTrack. To get started, first you need to add the CPA network you are working with. So in RedTrack, go to Offer Sources and Add New. RedTrack already has pre-built templates for most networks, so if your network is listed, just click on the Add button. If not, you can just create a new one. After that, you can add your offer. Go to Offers, click Add New, and fill in the details. Make sure that your offer link contains the correct click ID parameter. It's crucial for tracking clicks. If you are not sure what is the correct parameter, ask your CPA network manager. Next, you can add your landing page you created in Funnelish or whatever tool you're using. Go to Landers and a name for your lander and the URL. The next step is adding the traffic source, the ad network where you are going to run your ads. In our case, it's RollerAds. Go to Traffic Channels, find RollerAds in the pre-built template catalog, and click Add. After you click Add, I recommend setting up the postback URL right away, so you don't have to deal with that later. Just log into your RollerAds account, go to Tracking and copy your postback URL. Then go back to RedTrack and add it to your RollerAds traffic channel S2S postback URL field. That's it. Click Save, and now you're ready to create your first tracking campaign in RedTrack. Go to Campaigns and click the Create New Campaign button. Then on the left side, you need to enter a name for your campaign. Select RollerAds as your traffic channel and your default tracking domain. On the right side, you can build your funnel by selecting your landing page and the offer you want to promote. As you can see in the landings field, I have 2 landers. That's because after I created my landing page, I made a variant right away for testing. You can add multiple landers, and RedTrack will rotate them so you can split test them to see which one performs better. I recommend starting your campaign with 3 landing pages. After that, click Save and copy your final URL from the Tracking Links and Parameters field. This is going to be your final URL that you promote in RollerAds. How to set up a push campaign in RollerAds. Creating your first campaign in RollerAds is pretty simple and straightforward. Once you log in, you can start launching your campaign by clicking on the New Campaign button. The first 2 things you need to choose is the ad format, which is push in our case, and the bid model. You can choose between Smart CPC or regular CPC, or you can experiment with both. If you use Smart CPC, make sure your postback is set up correctly so RedTrack can postback conversion data to RollerAds, and the system can automatically optimize your CPCs based on that data. So basically, Smart CPC allows the price to be changed on the go, within the boundaries of the allocated budget. In other words, instead of always paying the top bid, you are enabled to pay less for the same number of clicks or impressions. Next, we have traffic presets. These are basically whitelists of sources created by the RollerAds team for achieving better results. They have several whitelists for different geos and verticals. For example, we could try this GB Mobile Sweepstakes whitelist, but for now I'm going to go broad to test all placements, and later I'll also launch a new campaign using this GB Sweepstakes whitelist only, and see how it goes. In the next step, you need to name your campaign and add your final URL from RedTrack in the target URL field. The next step is uploading your ads. Create a smaller icon and a bigger main image for your ad, enter the title and description, and that's it. As you can see, for these offers, what works the best for me is highlighting a huge discounted price in the ad, and also the original price. This will boost the CTR. Here's an example how one of my ads looks like. I recommend starting with 5 creatives first. Next, you need to set the country you want to target. You can also target specific regions, cities, carriers, IPs, etc. When you test a new campaign, I recommend skipping all these. Just select your target country and go broad. You can adjust your campaign further once you collect some data. Next, we need to set a max CPC for our campaign. You can go to the rates section in RollerAds to see what is the recommended bid for your target country. In our case, for the UK, it's $0.071, and my account manager suggested setting the bid a little bit higher than the recommended to get more traffic. So I'm going to start with $0.075. As you can see, it says optional, but even if you use Smart CPC bid model, you should set a max CPC, because if you don't, the system will bid super high to get the most amount of traffic possible, and it can spend your entire daily budget in minutes. Speaking of daily budget, the next step is to set a daily and a total budget for your campaign. Next, we can choose to target all traffic or premium only, and also filter by subscription age. Other than that, we have options for excluding specific feeds, zones, dayparting, frequency capping, device, OS and browser targetings, and all that stuff. But again, if you are testing a new offer or traffic source, I recommend starting broad, and then optimize these later when you have significant data. Once you set everything, click Save Changes and start the campaign. Moderation is usually fast, so keep an eye on your campaign right from the start. How to optimize and scale profitable campaigns. When your campaign gets approved, first you need to monitor it. Make sure all data is coming through the dynamic variables, and you can see them in RedTrack. To do that, select your campaign, click Reports, and from the Groupings menu, select and check each variable. Pay attention to Creative ID, Placement ID, Device. These are the most important ones you will need to optimize your campaign for profits. If everything is good, you just need to wait to gather some data, and then you can start optimizing. If your daily budget is around $50, $100 per day, you should have enough data to begin the optimization process the next day. Look for patterns in the data. Which creatives have the highest CTR? Which placements convert the best? Which devices show the most promise? Focus on creative IDs, placement IDs, and devices that consistently show better performance. Once you identify underperforming elements, pause them. For example, if a particular creative ID has a low CTR, pause it. Similarly, pause placements and devices that aren't generating profitable results. Always test new creatives to keep the campaign fresh and engaging. Start with 3, 5 new creatives to see which ones resonate with your audience. Rotate these new creatives with the existing high-performing ones to avoid ad fatigue. Because on push, it's very common, creatives die pretty fast. Based on the data, adjust your CPC bids. If a particular placement is highly profitable, consider increasing its bids slightly to gain more traffic. Conversely, decrease bids or pause placements that don't perform well. Scale your daily and total budget gradually. If your campaign is profitable, gradually increase the budget to capture more volume. Use the data to refine your targeting. If specific regions, cities, or devices perform better, narrow your targeting to focus on these high-performing segments. Use frequency capping to ensure you're not bombarding the same users with too many ads, which can lead to ad fatigue and lower performance. It's very important to never stop testing new ideas, creatives, and strategies. By following these steps, you can optimize your campaigns for profits and scale them efficiently. Remember, the key to success lies in data-driven decisions and continuous improvement.